Thank you for deciding to take the journey with me. I'm GT Hill. This course, RF for Wi-Fi Admins, is perfectly suited for anyone who's starting in Wi-Fi. As I mentioned in the other video, this is the place to start. Understanding the way the physical works in Wi-Fi is the core to understanding the rest of the technology. Now, some of you are here just to get career information. You love Wi-Fi, you want to get into Wi-Fi. By the way, if you're just starting out, amazing choice. Wi-Fi has been huge for a lot of us out here. I was fortunate enough to start in 2001, and it's just been a great journey since. So if you're just here for learning for your career and your job, awesome. If you want to get certified, I do have some recommendations. There are many certifications out there, but there's really only one set that is what's called vendor neutral. Every vendor has some sort of certification for their product, but the vendor neutral ones are a lot more rare. So we're going to go through the certification track real quick. So the first one where this course would start to apply is called the CWNA. Certified Wireless Network Administrator. This is the core foundation for the certification track. Now, whether or not you are looking to get certified or not, I have a book recommendation for you. So if you are interested in learning Wi-Fi, taking it beyond where we're at here today, the CWNA book, obviously you can get it on Kindle, you can get it in hard copy, whatever it may be. I highly recommend that book. Now, there are different versions that come out. Every year and a half, 2 years, there's a new version. Make sure you get the newest one. But so far, it's only been written by David Coleman and David Westcott. Phenomenal book. So whether or not you're looking to get certified, it's the best single Wi-Fi book on the market. So I highly recommend it. But the certification track starts with CWNA. That's the administrator. Don't think of this as easy. This is a difficult test, but well worth it. It is everything from RF, which we're going to talk about in this course, to basic protocol, site surveys, how Wi-Fi should be set up, how it works, the wiring side of it. It's the place to start. If you want to further your certification, and I'm going to be doing courses going through all of this technology, whether it's specific to the certification or just general Wi-Fi, we're going to be covering that. The next would be there are 3 what's called P-level, professional level courses. I'm going to give them to you in the order that I recommend. The first is CWAP. That's analysis. You see my first spelling mistake? We will have many of them throughout our journey together. The CWAP, Certified Wireless Analysis Professional. This is how do the bits and bytes work. Doesn't sound like fun, but it is the place to start in your professional career. What does a packet look like? What is it supposed to look like? If you're going to be doing some frame captures with some great software and you want to know what's wrong with something, this is the place to go. The next is Certified Wireless Design Professional. If you are trying to design a Wi-Fi network, big part of the career out there is designing a Wi-Fi network. If you're trying to do that, this is where you're going to go. My recommendation is, again, this order. Understanding how the protocol works, something called contention and arbitration. We'll talk about those coming up. That is very important to understanding proper design. CWSP, security. Security is obviously an important component. Why am I putting it last? Security today in Wi-Fi is very standardized. If your journey includes you wanting to do penetration testing and working for a security company, move this up. But otherwise, it's a great certification to have. It's great knowledge to have. But in a general Wi-Fi sense, myself and my peers, we're not using this all the time. Much more often, we're using our analysis skills and our design skills. The last certification is CWNE. This is expert. At the time of this recording, there were fewer than 150 CWNEs in the world. I'm CWNE number 21, Blackjack, don't forget that. So CWNE is one of those. You have to have all of these certifications, pass an application process, showed experience in Wi-Fi in order to achieve that certification. With it being that few in number, it is well worth it. CWNEs out there can basically get a job anywhere they want in the Wi-Fi industry and command some very good salaries. So if this looks like a journey for you, you're starting at the foundation of this journey, understanding radio frequency. Let's get going.